So Merlin Layer 2 on Bitcoin just dropped the alpha. And if you want to be fully eligible and if you want to fully boost your criteria, what you want to do is essentially to stake your assets on Merlin. So as they say, right now you can earn your points. You can also stake Ethereum, USDT and USDC, but this will be available in a couple of hours. And also you can see the M token will be live in days. So looks like it's coming, so probably that is going to be the right time. This is the first time when they drop it. So you want to start doing it right away. Of course, this is not financial advice, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. And if you click on this link, you can see more details when it comes to Merlin. So for example, there will be 20% Merlin governance tokens, which is going to be the biggest staking reward among all L2s. Also additional benefit for providing liquidity on the native DEX Merlin Swap. So I showed you this in my previous video, and today we're gonna follow it up with this one as well. What's really important to us is that probably everybody has any assets like Bitcoin or bitmaps, BRC20 or BRC420 assets in your Uniswap wallet or Express wallet or any Bitcoin wallet that you use. So by staking these assets, you'll be accumulating points. So let me show you how we can do it now. So on the main website, you can see that we have bridge to Merlin Seal and also bridge to chain. So we're going to follow up with the first one and then we'll jump to the second one. So first you want to connect your Uniswap wallet. So either you have Unisat or OKX. So I'm going to select Unisat. So I'm going to bridge Bitcoin and then we're going to bridge something else. So let's say we're going to bridge 0.025 because the more you stake it, the more points you will accumulate. And at the end, these points will transform into Merl's token. So now you can click on staking and I'm going to drop the link down below so you can access this website. And now you want to select the gas fee. So let's say we want to use the custom because I don't want to wait, let's say for ages. So I'm going to do like, for example, 44. So now we need to confirm the transaction and now we staked that successfully. So we'll need to wait 3 blocks for the confirmation to successfully bridge our tokens. So now we can go to check transfer history and you'll see that our transaction is pending. So in the same time, I'm going to bridge some small amount to bridge on chain and I'm going to send, for example, 0.05 and then I'm going to click on transfer and you can see the warning message that this is the beta version. So the maximum amount is under 0.02 BTC. So please be aware that we'll gradually open the bridge out in 14 days. So if you agree with that, you can click OK. And then you can confirm your transaction so you can sign and pay it. So now our bridge is successful and we're going to get our funds in 4 block confirmations. And in the meantime, while wait, if you click on your assets, you can bridge like, for example, Bitcoin, trac, mice, sats, bitmaps, music box or blue boxes. So if you know what blue boxes are, these are really expensive, about $30,000. So I assume a lot of people will stake them because blue boxes has something to do with the Merlin. The people behind the blue boxes are also the people that I think they work on Merlin Chain as well. So pretty much this is a big win for all people that minted these blue boxes super early so they can bridge them over here and they can earn a ton. So I expect a lot of people that minted these blue boxes, they are deep into this Merlin technology, so they're gonna eat a lot from that. So now we have our assets in Merlin Seal, and what's important to mention is that if you go to our docs now, you will see that based on the funds that you stake on Merlin Seal, M tokens will be generated on Merlin's mainnet, such as these tokens. And then you can get these tokens and utilize them for trading or providing liquidity for DEXs or engaging in DeFi protocols to generate extra profit. So once you're going to do it, you can see this is the timeline, what they're trying to do. And you have the phases. So you have a bunch of different phases, like for example, in February, users can stake BTC. So this is the phase that we have right now. So then we have phase 2. And in March, users will be able to claim Merl rewards based on the endpoints that they have accumulated. And in April, user will be able to withdraw their staked assets using the M token. And Merlin is probably one of these hottest L2s on Bitcoin. And personally, I don't want to miss on that one because you never know what you can expect from that. It's basically just staking your assets. So remember, anything might go wrong, but you don't want to like put more assets than you can afford to lose. So if you put like, let's say $50 and you're fine with that, and if you think you can earn a couple X's more on your assets, I think that's great risk reward ratio. And I don't think a lot of people pay attention to that at this point. So if you guys watching this video, I think this is super early. And if you want to maximize that even further, if you go to your bridge, and on top of that, I want to show you that you can also bridge other assets, not only BRC and Bitcoin, but also if you want to bridge like bitmap. So as you can see, I have one bitmap in this wallet. So I'm going to just select this bitmap, click confirm, and you can send it over to Merlin's Seal. So click on staking and let's send that with the fastest gas fee. Now your wallet is going to pop up, so just sign a transaction and that's it. So now you can see I have one bitmap and BTC. So if you have any other assets, you can do that. Probably I'm not going to deposit any more funds. I'm going to leave it like it is and see how many points I will earn at the end. So now we can follow with the second step when you bridge your Bitcoin to Merlin Chain. So we did that, and you had to wait like 4 blocks to confirm, so it might take a while. So what you want to do, you want to go to merlinswap.org, and in here you will, if you click on your wallet, you will see your balance that you have. So we reach 0.01, and now essentially we can provide liquidity to native DEX on Merlin Swap. So if you go there, you will see, if you go to the pool, you'll see what active pools we have, like for example this one, or for example MRC 404. So we can select the first one and go to the swap feature, and now we can make a one swap. So just select the hoo cat, and we can make a tiny swap, and you can wanna click on the swap button, and once you're gonna click on the swap button, you will see how much you received for the amount that you wanna swap it. So that will be around $40. So now your Unisat is going to pop up, and you need to sign the transaction. So once that's done, you'll see some funds in your wallet, and then you want to go to the pools, and then you want to select the pool that you want to add your liquidity to. So once you have that, you can select the maximum, for example, and then you can provide these assets, and you can leave it here for a while. So you're going to be earning additional points on the top of that what you already staking in Merlin's seal. So now we added liquidity to it. And if you want to remove it at any point, you can click on this remove button, and then you can bridge it out to your Unisat wallet. So now, as you can see, we have our liquidity added. So I'm going to leave this here for a while. So hopefully they're going to update us really soon. So I'm going to leave all of these links down below so you can read about this more in details. I'm going to leave the code if you want to use this as well. And if you guys enjoyed this video and you found this useful, let me know in the comment down below. Subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next one.